Geotechnical services in Kotla Mubarakpur offer a range of solutions for construction projects in the area. These services involve the study and analysis of soil and rock properties to determine their suitability for construction purposes. The geotechnical engineers in Kotla Mubarakpur are skilled in conducting site investigations, collecting soil samples, and performing laboratory tests to assess the stability and strength of the ground. By employing geotechnical services in Kotla Mubarakpur, developers and contractors can ensure that their projects are built on a solid foundation. One of the primary geotechnical services offered in Kotla Mubarakpur is the design of shallow and deep foundations. The engineers use their expertise to determine the most suitable foundation type based on the site conditions and structural requirements. They consider factors such as soil composition, groundwater levels, and load-bearing capacity to design foundations that can safely support the structure above. With their knowledge of local soil conditions, the geotechnical engineers in Kotla Mubarakpur can provide customized solutions that minimize the risk of settlement or failure. In addition to foundation design, geotechnical services in Kotla Mubarakpur also include slope stability analysis. This is particularly important in hilly areas where slopes can pose a significant risk to infrastructure. By conducting thorough investigations and using advanced analytical techniques, the geotechnical engineers can assess the stability of slopes and recommend measures to prevent landslides or slope failures. These measures may include slope stabilization techniques such as soil nailing, retaining walls, or drainage systems. By addressing slope stability issues early in the design phase, developers can save costs and ensure the safety of their projects. Moreover, geotechnical services in Kotla Mubarakpur also involve soil testing and analysis. The engineers collect soil samples from different depths and perform laboratory tests to determine properties such as grain size distribution, moisture content, shear strength, and compressibility. This information is crucial for determining the bearing capacity of the soil and its suitability for different types of construction. It also helps in assessing the potential for soil settlement, liquefaction, or other geotechnical hazards. By understanding these properties, developers can make informed decisions about foundation design and construction methods. In conclusion, geotechnical services in Kotla Mubarakpur play a vital role in ensuring the success and safety of construction projects in the area. Through site investigations, soil testing, and analysis, these services provide valuable insights into the ground conditions and help in designing suitable foundations and structures. Geotechnical services play a crucial role in the construction industry, ensuring the stability and safety of structures. Kotla Mubarakpur, located